Hey gang, it's Coach Lois. I am here on Friday. It is my day 10 of the detox, and I'm a day behind because I wanted to do one video on every even day of my detox, which would bring me to my last one being on the 22nd day, which would be the first day off the detox. So I'm so sorry. I could not make a video 2 days ago. As you can hear, some remnants of an upper respiratory cold. Now, I don't get sick, since even though I have an autoimmune disorder, because of Beachbody and Shakeology and eating clean and working out and just stress management overall, everything that I've learned from when I used to be sick, tired, depressed, and constantly stressed and in kind of in a negative space in my life, I just don't get sick. I haven't been sick in 2 years. And the main reason I'm sick right now is not just because I caught some cold. No, I don't believe in that. Colds are only caught if you have a bad immune system, and that's usually due to stress, bad diet, not enough water, not enough sleep, a whole host of reasons. I'm not a doctor, but I work with a lot of holistic people, and I just know why people get sick. So I'm not going victim to the cold outdoors. I'm not going victim to the fact that I work with a lot of people that might be sick, or that I have a couple of kids, because they don't get sick either. I am sick because I am doing this detox and I have toxins flooding my body and trying to get out. I am chugging the water. I'm getting more than a gallon a day. I'm eating super, super clean. I'm following the food plan to a T. I have been tossing and turning a lot, which is not uncommon on a detox. My body's really working hard internally. I'm not missing my workouts at all because, let's face it, I'm going through a workout internally right now. I don't deserve to add anything to that so my body can work properly. So there you have it. I just wanted to give you an update and tell you why I did not make a video 2 days ago. My voice was much worse, and I'm not 100% over this cold yet. However, I will be very soon and be feeling amazing again, and with less toxins in my body. So there you have it. Have a great day, and I will report in another 2 days. Take care. Have a great weekend.